Hi, I would like to explain to you how you can easily configure an Office 365 email account in SpinOffice. Before you start, sign out of all your Microsoft accounts in a web browser. This prevents SpinOffice from connecting to any incorrect Microsoft account. Go to SpinOffice and start the email configuration. Choose Office 365, then enter your email account. Click Start to continue and then connect. You will be taken to a web browser. Log into the correct account with the corresponding password. Click Login and perform any verification and continue. You will receive a request to allow SpinOffice access to your account. Choose Accept to continue. The account is now successfully connected. Please go back to SpinOffice. Your email messages will be brought in now. This is it for now. Configure your Office 365 account and experience the benefits of the mail integration in SpinOffice yourself. Do you want to learn more? Please visit our support center for more videos. Thank you for watching.